Today, I'm going to teach you how to make my chocolate mousse cake. We start with a half recipe of Mamie's chocolate cake and allow it to cool to room temperature while we make the mousse layer. To make chocolate mousse, bring a small pan of water to a boil. Turn off the heat. Place 2 cups of good chocolate in a bowl and allow it to sit over hot water until the chocolate melts. When the chocolate melts, add 2 tablespoons of soft butter and 3 egg yolks. The chocolate may seize up a little bit, but don't worry because the hot coffee will smooth it back out. Place 2 cups of heavy cream in another bowl with 1/2 cup of sugar and an ounce of vanilla. Whip this until soft peaks form. Place 6 egg whites and 1/2 cup of sugar in another bowl. Whip these until soft peaks form like this. Fold the chocolate into the whipped cream and then fold the egg whites into the chocolate. Pour the mousse on top of the cake in the springform pan and place this in the fridge for at least 4 hours to set. To serve, remove the mousse cake from the springform pan, cut into slices, and plate. Garnish with a squiggle of raspberry sauce, fresh whipped cream, a few raspberries, and a sprig of mint. And now for the fun part. Put 1 cup of good chocolate into a bowl and pour 1 cup of heavy cream over the top and stir to combine. Pour this incredible chocolate sauce over the mousse cake. I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru.